Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 26 beta not showing an iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your browser application. It can be Safari or Google Chrome browser, it doesn't matter, and then you need to type developer.apple.com. After that, you need to wait a little bit, and then you will see this interface. All you need to do is to click on the two lines button at the top left corner. Here it is, and then click on the last option, account. In this interface, you need to sign in your Apple developer account. So if you already have this account, you need to log in to this account. So if you don't have this account, all you need to do is to click on the create your Apple account button and then sign in. So after that, you need to, after logged in your account, you need to restart your iPhone and then open your iPhone settings again. Then click on the general option, here it is, and then click on the second button, software update. So now, as you can see, I have only one option, automatic updates, but after logging in your Apple creator account, you will have the second option, so you need to click on that one button, and then you will be able to download iOS 26 beta. So, and that's all, and that's how to fix iOS 26 beta not showing on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.